The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you Word Wizard.
You'll need cardboard 20 by 30 centimeters, plain cloth, a pair of scissors, glue or a stapler, sticky notes or tape and paper, a thick pen, matchsticks or toothpicks, and a scale. Learn something new every day is an old saying. Help boost your child's vocabulary with a new word a day. Learning new words and using them can be both fun and challenging for kids. Children with strong vocabulary are better able to comprehend what they hear or read. They learn to communicate their feelings, needs, and ideas. Let's make learning fun. Please note, this activity can be adapted according to the learning level of the child. So first, take a rectangular cardboard of size 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Lay a cloth on the surface and cut the cloth, leaving about 4 to 5 centimeters on all sides of the board. Now lay your board on top of the cloth. Staple down the fabric onto the cardboard on all 4 sides, or you can just glue the fabric onto the cardboard. Just spread glue under the edge flaps of the fabric and press down into place. Now add a small loop of ribbon from which the board will hang. Once the glue is dry, it's ready to use. Hang a finished board on the wall at a suitable height so your child can access it. Write a letter or word depending on your child's learning level and paste it on the board. Ask the child to check the new letter or word on the board every day. Trace the letter. Use matchsticks and make outlines of letters. Now learn a word associated with the letter. Think of a fun reward for every new letter or word learned. For beginners, always start with basic words and target only one letter or word or phrase a day. Bravo! You are now a word wizard.
Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment and share.